Ikwere no must be Igbo, Ikwere must be Igbo. Ikwere no be Igbo, Ikwere na Igbo. Ikwere must Ukwere. Ikwere must Ukwere. Now, the big deal here is the same Ikwere man that says he is not Igbo, abi he is Igbo, or contemplating where he stands, happens to be the present President General of Ohaneze and Igbo. What an irony. What do you call that? Now tell me, who is murmuring the other? Who is fooling the other? Who? And the funniest part is, this is actually the first time in the history of the creation of Ohaneze that they are having dispute in leadership, where someone comes out to say he's a fractional leader of Ohaneze from the same Ikwere. I don't know if this was born out of being desperate to be Igbo, that they are now fighting, tussling over who is going to be the Ohaneze President General. We have Mbata, we have what's his name, Uchechukwu. Two of them jostling. One said the election in Enugu was authentic. The other one said it was not. The election in Port Harcourt is the authentic one. Which one we will now follow? But the thing is, make everybody day where in day, so that the thunder we want strike will locate the particular person or the particular people where he wants. If you say you no one belong here, better no come there. Day where you day. You don't understand? Although say unity is strength. There is strength, so much strength in unity. You understand? But moving forward, I still get advice for the both parties where they jostle for this thing. Both people where they say Ikwere must be Igbo, and people where they say Ikwere no be Igbo, and people where they say Ikwere na Igbo, or they don't know where they. This is the advice. Make una listen to them.
So many people were kind of, these people that you people are calling, where are they from? Are they really Igbos or are they not Igbos? It's good that we are beginning to have this political consciousness as to how to drive the culture and tradition of Igbo nation as a whole. But we must put it on record that it's really appalling that our brothers from the Delta part of Nigeria, and also our brothers from River State, you know, the Ikwerres and other Igbo-speaking areas from that axis, to understand that some of them, sometimes when it's convenient for them, they will say they are Igbos. Once it's not convenient for them, they say they are not Igbos. And the question is, who is fooling who at this point? Still recall, during the 2023 election, Rotimi Amechi, who is from River State, came out to say that he is an Igbo man. Nyesom Wike came out to say they are not Igbos. And I also heard that some part of Obaki Ikwere in River State said they are not Igbos. In fact, they denied any affinity with Igbos. So we keep asking, is it when it's politically convenient for them, they identify with Igbos? Once it's no longer convenient for them, they say they are not Igbos. Please, I think it's a wake-up call for all of us. Igbo nation should be united at this point, and I want to urge the new President General of Ohaneze and Igbo, that is Senator Zutambata. Please try and unite Igbos. I saw some of the clips that emerged from the election in Enugu. I saw only 4 governors. I didn't see a Ebonyi State governor. I was expecting that since maybe some governors from River State and Delta State may not want to identify with Ohaneze and Igbo for obvious reasons. But the main people who should be at the forefront, we should see them. I saw Governor Alex Oti there. I saw Enugu State Governor there. I saw Imo Governor there. I also saw Anambra State Governor. What happened to Ebonyi State Governor? Let us lead from the front, so that when these our brothers from Delta and from Rivers keep doing, we are part of it, we are not part of it, we should lead from the front and unite the Igbo nation to forge ahead. And once we come and speak in the Nigerian project, people will listen.